Sustainability has always been very important to me, and the conservation of marine life is also very important to me. So combining those two things into one project and knowing that what we're doing makes a difference is really special. Senior Design is the capstone course for textile engineering and textile technology students, where we get paired with an industry sponsor and we work on a project for them throughout the entire year.
Sail to Shelter is a nonprofit organization that focuses on repurposing and recycling old and dead sails.
There's $125 million worth of sails sitting in warehouses around the world. This is a huge market that can be tapped into, and that's the main focus of Sail to Shelter.
Angela, who is our sponsor from Sail to Shelter, she really gave us a totally open-ended prompt to kind of be creative, come up with something useful, something that doesn't create a bigger environmental footprint, and just really find a new way to use it that they're not already using.
We're trying to convert the sails into agriculture textiles like weed barrier fabric. Weed barrier fabric is used in agriculture between crops that are sown in long rows. It prevents the effects of climate, also prevents weed from obviously growing, and just increases the yield of the crop.
We use the analytical and technical labs to test the chemical properties of what the sails were made of. And we also plan to use the moisture management and air permeability machines in the physical testing lab.
So once we get the sails perforated and once we get our hands back on them, we want to do testing, comparing our perforated sails with other agriculture textiles in the market. Senior Design gave me a chance to apply what I learned in my classes to a real-world application, and to translate what I learned in, like, say, textbooks and in class to something that's more tangible.
I've learned to problem solve in different ways and approach different issues from a different perspective.
I feel like the best thing I've learned is that it's okay to fail, and that failing gives you a new direction and, like Kalia said, a new perspective on things. And it's been really nice to learn that, like, it's not the end if you fail.
My favorite part about Senior Design is getting a chance to be a professional before I go out into the industry. I get a chance to talk to people from different companies and see how they run their companies.
And I think this class has really prepared me to work on projects and be creative and also be confident in myself and what I have to offer to different companies.